My name is Tiffany. I am a research scientist here at CiRC, and my main goal here is to improve upon our cell therapy targets. And right now our current target is the eye, and so we are working on making cells that are called photoreceptors in order to help improve vision with people who have diseases such as macular degeneration as well as retinitis pigmentosa. So I actually remember wanting to be a scientist back in middle school. We had like a career day, and I remember picking geneticist. So I've always been interested in genetics and gene regulation, and I knew that's what I wanted to do research in. And so when I was in high school, I focused on getting biology classes, chemistry classes, physics classes, pretty much any science course that my high school offered. And then when I was picking programs, that's what I focused on. Honestly, it's just like with any other career. You recognize what the needs are, you figure out what classes you need, what you want to do to prepare yourself, and you just dedicate yourself to it. It never even crossed my mind, honestly, when I was picking my field that this was like a male-dominated field, and especially in the life sciences, that's just becoming less and less true. I actually had a female advisor for my PhD, and a lot of my professors were female in my university. I think the technology that we're doing is really interesting, and I also just see a lot of potential in the future for what we're trying to do and for other diseases that we might eventually be able to target with what we're trying to do here. And I'm just like really excited to be a part of that. We also just have a really awesome team here. I love the people I work with, and I know not everyone gets to say that. And so I actually, even when I'm here for pretty long hours, I'm still happy because I just get excited about what we're doing, and also the people I work with have just been great, and we're super supportive of each other, and it's been a good time.